This new product was called gas tank base. It's actually very soft material to protect your oil tank. Of course, you can avoid. Right, it's very easy. It's very easy. So don't worry about it. And you also can do like me. Right, if you have a very big ADV, maybe this is a good way. Okay, it's very easy to mount it. Use this strap, and there is a lock, safety lock. Very good. Well done. And then tighten it up, lock it. That's all. Very easy and very useful. It's suitable for technical gears also. They can mount the walkie-talkies here or technical gears here. For cycling bags or motorcycle bags, it's also suitable. You just cut the straps, or you don't need a cut. You just run here. Do like this. This is second generation Modular pack. There are 4 different capacities you can choose: 6, 8, 15 and 50 liters. And this one is smallest one, 6 liters. It's also nice on the gas tank. So when you ride the bike, see, it will not block you. It's very good size for the gas tank bag. But if you have a very big ADV, I think 8 liters is also good. So you can put your clothes here, food here, very easy to get it out. And the material here you can see is fully waterproofed. And second generations got a very good quick lock, and very easy to lock it down. This is another interesting way to mount your bags. It's called real bag base. You actually use a real wheel, but you also can use it in front. There are 2 different products. This is single one, this is another one. Let's see how to mount it. It's very easy. 1 point here, another point here, and front point is here. Find some places to mount the strap, and then you mount your bag here. Very useful and very easy to mount. Except gas tank bag, you can use it as a real bag. It's very cool, isn't it? So this gear is suitable for all kinds of motorbikes. You just cross here and mount here, and also cross here and mount here, and here also cross and mount. Very easy to fix it up. And I will recommend you to use this second generation Modular pack because it's very easy to mount. Right? Use the quick lock, very easy to mount. And the Rhinowalk provides you different capacity choices: 6, 8, 15 and 30 liters. So this is another way to mount the first aid bag. Those gears are suitable for all kinds of motorcycles, enduro, road bike, ADV. Just leave your message below and let me know what bike you use and what you request. We will offer you good products with a good price.